Yo. So I heard this track last night, right? And it just seemed to crack me up. Some people just get too cocky, I guess. Especially when it comes to fame. Even with a little fame, I think it's time to show them who the real deal is. evoKlone, we the motherfucking realist. I heard some old cat say that he's the illest in this rap kingdom. Oh, he must be the empress. That was weak as this I've heard in ages. I had to skim through it like if I was flipping through pages. You should be a bit-time storyteller, cause I could fall asleep, but then I'd rather be Helen Keller. Go get your inhaler, you need a breed, man, I'm outrunning you. Oh, and I forgot to mention Vu Peter too. That constipated Tupac wannabe used to hop on my cruise dick before we cheated, became Yellow Diamond's little bitch. How can you say you changed the whole rap game when y'all stealing styles, trying to sound the same like other rappers? You're just another rapper that's trying to make it big, but then you're gonna fall and fracture. Not just your bones, but your whole career. You can't look at yourself, cause I'm the man in the mirror. I work hard for my craft, you had me at a good laugh. I'm the river, you can't flow when you're a rap. When I perform on stage, I don't ever lip singing like I'm rapping over vocals sounding like T-Pain, but the retarded version. Someone close the curtains, cause I'm about to get my brother Lynch on and get to hurting. That's all you guys get. This ain't worth my time. Just thought I'd hop into the Hmong community for a little bit and show you how to rap. Now it's time to leave and do my own thing. Peace.